Hello friends, welcome to Science and Knowledge. As you know, Shehbaz here. Today we are gonna show you the cheapest mobile phone of the famous South Korean brand Samsung. Super budget long liver Samsung Galaxy A03 core presented. It replaces last year Galaxy A01 core. This is really a super budget mobile phone for your daily normal life. So please sit tight. Coming up next. Welcome back. Let's start unboxing. Here is a warranty card, other paper documentation. Silicone back cover is not included in the package. An IMEI token. Here is a super budget masterpiece, Samsung Galaxy A03 core. We will discuss later. Here is a charger. USB cable. SIM tray ejecting key. The package does not include a hands-free. Alright, here is the Galaxy A03 core budget phone. Let's start the device. Alright, the device has powered on. Samsung lost half of its market share 5% and slipped from 4th to 5th place in global smartphone SoC shipments. The company lost ground partly because of its own smartphone division, which became more dependent on in-scoring and outscoring to Chinese OEMs. Samsung Electronics officially unveiled a super budget model of the Samsung Galaxy A03 core smartphone. Samsung names are sometimes difficult to understand, and this is just a case. The novelty should not be confused with previously released Galaxy A3 core smartphone, which is offered some region under the name Galaxy A01 core. Also, the Galaxy A03 core differs markedly in characteristics and cost from the Galaxy A03s. The technical specifications of the smartphone are mentioned in the video. The Galaxy A03 core will be equipped with a 6.5 inches HD Plus LCD screen, 5 megapixel front camera in a teardrop notch. The quality is fine. 8 megapixel main camera with of course LED flash. In this budget, camera quality is fine. Unisoc SC9863A 8-core SoC for your daily normal use. This super budget is not made specially for gamers. Samsung smartphone cheapest business lost a place in Q3 2021 and now has the 5th largest market share after MediaTek, Qualcomm, Apple, and Unisoc. The latter chip maker ranked 5th in Q2, but seems to have pushed Samsung down a notch 3 months later, reveals Counterpoint Research. Samsung Galaxy A03 core comes with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal flash memory. You can expand your memory via micro SD card slot using up to 1 TB micro SD card. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh with support for 7.5 watt charging. The smartphone runs Android 11 Go Edition, which is said to be 20% faster than Android 10 Go Edition when it comes to launching apps. The Galaxy A03 core dimensions are 164.2 by 75.9 by 9.1 mm, weighs 211 grams. Work in 4G LTE cellular networks is supported. blue and black designs will be available. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button, share and comment below the video. For more tech news, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.